Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can rotate picture in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So let's open Microsoft Word first. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now let me quickly add a picture in it. You can just simply drag that if your picture is saved in your desktop. Now I have this picture. So once you click on the picture, you will have this picture format. Click on that. Then you will have this option, rotate objects. Click on that and you can rotate it to 90 degrees. This will how it looks like. You can rotate it to left 90 degrees and this is how it looks like. You can rotate it flip vertical and this is how it looks like. You can flip it horizontal and that would look like that. And you can also have here more rotation options. So you can go with the height, for the width, and for the, so it's up to you. You can simply increase that from here and just click on OK. And that's it. Another method is you will find this twisted arrow. You can simply drag this by moving it to the desired rotation that you want. And that's it. That's how you can easily rotate a picture in the Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.